what it do? You too, it's your boy Lil Schmack, man. Y'all already know. We back at it once again. With another banger review for you, family. How y'all doing, man? How have y'all been? I know it's been a while, family. I know. I've been grinding out on this other channel, gambling like crazy, man. If y'all want to check it out, link will be in the description down below. I've been having a blast, family. But if y'all aren't into gambling, don't worry. The shoe videos will still keep rolling, man. Just a little bit slower, man. Lots going on, though. But nonetheless, man, before we get into today's review, if y'all not hitting that like and subscribe button, I greatly, greatly appreciate it, family. Today we have a shoe that's pretty limited. Damn near pretty rare, man. Let's check it out. Bam! Y'all see the box, man. Y'all gonna think this is gonna be one of them ones, because it is one of them ones, family. So you have the Nike SB Jordan 4 box that you usually always have. That nice sail box, gray Jumpman here on the sides as well. This is in a size 12. I'm going to redraw that colorway because y'all not going to be expecting this one. Jordan 4 Retro SP, Summit White, Varsity Red. Did you hear that right? Maybe you did. But nonetheless, man, taking off the top of the lid, man, nothing crazy underneath. And you do know, don't you? This is a sponsored video, man. If y'all wouldn't mind, go ahead and checking out their website, their Instagram, and their WhatsApp. You can use the code REGULAR for $15 off your purchase. You can do this on multiple purchases. So again, just go ahead and make a purchase, $15 off anything on the website. Again, it will be linked in the description down below. Instagram and their WhatsApp, if you'd like to contact them, will also be in the description down below, man. Always appreciate them for blessing up the channel. Let's go and get to today's review. And man, as you can see by the paper, man, let's go ahead and lift that thing down. Give me a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Ooh, woo! These things is looking spicy. Oh, couldn't see, could you? Bam! These things is looking good, family. These are the Jordan 4 SB. Friends and family. Friends and family pair. And bam, y'all see it, family. The Jordan 4 SB in the Varsity Red color. Looking spicy, y'all. Looking spicy, family. So let's go and break this thing down, man. The first thing y'all got is a red Jumpman over here on the top of the tongue. Of course, like you always have. Comes laced out the box. OEM joints of white laces, of course. Coming around, you do have a nice white leather going around the whole thing, a white eyelet, white netting, white mesh underneath as well. Coming down, you do have that nice suede going around the entire toe box to help you skate. You're doing a kickflip, stuff like that. Coming down to the midsole is that Varsity Red color. And then on the outsole is also that white that we always are used to. Coming down to the back, though, is that nice Nike SB, again, in the red colorway, family, with a nice little flick of the wrist because it's not going to hurt your ankles putting the shoe on. Behind, you do have Air Jordan right there, all in red, of course. And then coming down underneath is that nice gum outsole. Very, very nice here at the tip. And the heel of the shoe with a red Nike logo, family. Very, very clean of a shoe. You do have the insole as well as also red, man. And this is a shoe that goes for a lot of money, y'all. So it did start off like 10 racks, 8 racks. They're now down, I'm going to put a price up. They're now down like 4,500, 6K. So they're a little bit more obtainable. Still absolutely insane for a price I pay for a shoe. So nonetheless, that's why these are not the real ones, but close to it, family. Close to it, man. I will be giving this shoe away, so stay tuned, man. Stay tuned for the next video. But nonetheless, man, yeah, this is the shoe here. Super, super limited. They only made, I believe, 200 pairs of this. So it's the friends and family pair compared to the navy pair that recently came out, y'all. I've been wearing these things like absolute hotcakes. So sorry if it's dirty, but absolutely love the navy pair. And then you do have the red pair. So y'all can see pretty much the differences here. Very, very nice of a shoe. Let me know in the comment section down below which shoe y'all would have wanted. The red pair or the navy pair, man. Y'all got to let me know in the comments, man, because this is absolutely insane of a shoe. Personally, I still would have chosen the blue pair to go with. The red's just a little too much for me. I love this shoe. I love this shoe. It's amazing. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think, man. I appreciate you guys as always for coming and tuning in with your boy, man. Lil Schmack, man. If y'all wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button before you go, I really, really appreciate it, man. I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.